Say hello. Hello, Dylan. Alright, we've seen another bird do a trick with a piece of string, and so I've just taught this bird. This bird's 11 months. It's Alexandrine. His name's Cooka. Don't know if it's a boy or girl. So I put this string on the end of this stick, and at the end there's a chip, and it hangs down pretty far too. Cooka's going to get it. Come on. And it has fun. Come on, Cooka, you can do it. That's the way. Come on. Keep going. Oh, dropped it. Come on, have another try. Come on, get it. Come on. Come in. Cooka, come on. Here. Come on. Put it there for you. A little bit up. Come on. You can do it. Get the chippy. Get the chip. Very good, Cooka. Yummy. Very good. Took about half an hour for us to learn that. With a little bit of patience. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, darling.